okay, we got a base, and the base is going to be m by n. So that's the base. Find the number of shot in a pile of rectangular base if the number of shot in the length and the breadth of the base are m by n. So this is where I'm starting. And I want to point out as I'm moving up, the next row up would be m minus 1, n minus 1. And I keep moving my way up, right? Now, of course, when you keep moving your way up, you're eventually going to get to a row at the top with 1 in it. Then the question is, what's over here? All right? So again, I hope you realize it's, 1, 2, 3, up to n. Right? So what are you getting over here? Well, in this top row, you would get m minus n plus 1. All right, let's just figure this out, see if this is true. So n minus 1 plus 1 is the number of courses we have. Well, let's see if that's true in the other case over here. So m minus n plus 1 plus 1. By the way, this is n. This should also be n. What do you get? Well, m minus n is no m's. You would get n minus 1 plus 1, so it's n. So this makes sense, all right? So this is the top course. This is the bottom course. Again, it's complicated. I'm not saying it's not complicated, but we do have a sequence, all right? So what's sequence going to be? Sn, this is going to be the first guy. And then, the next row down would be, you're increasing the number there. So 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3, eventually get to n in the end. And the m minus n plus 1 also increases by 1 until we get to m in the end. All right? So I write down the pattern. This is the sequence now. The Sn is a series. We'll get to this eventually. Difference 1, much more complicated. I'm not saying it's not, but you're going to have to do the work there, all right? The work is you're going to get this, then you're going to get this, and you're going to get this, yada, yada, yada. D1 is this. What's nice about this, it peters out quite quickly. You get a bunch of 2's over here. D2 is 2. Everything there on out is going to be a 0. So what are you looking for, Sn? Fairly simple to write down. What's it going to be? N, right? And then it's going to be the A1. N minus 1, 2 factorial. D1. This thing again, same pattern over and over again. That's going to be 2. And then everything's going to be 0. Again, if you do the work, we're recommending it on this over here. I am hoping you get this over here. But let's say you don't get that. You say, I made a mistake somewhere. Yeah, maybe I did. Reach out to me. I don't think I made a mistake, though. But famous last words. And by the way, I really mean that. A lot of people say, I didn't make a mistake. We all make mistakes. All right? Thank you.